Hi YouTube. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my broccoli cheese casserole. I'm making it for Easter dinner, but you can make it for dinner. You can make it for pretty much anything. So I'm going to show you my ingredients and I'm going to show you how I make it. So come along with me. So for this recipe, you will need rice, you'll need broccoli, cream of chicken, broccoli cheese soup, cream of mushroom, and cheese. And the cheeses that I'm using today will be mild cheddar, sharp cheddar, and Kobe Jack cheese. So because I'm using jasmine rice, I'm only going to make 2 cups of rice for this recipe because jasmine rice goes a very long way. So I'm going to pour 2 cups in and then I'm going to wash that off camera and then I'll boil it on camera to show you guys. Ooh. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I washed my rice off camera and I washed it about 4 times until the water came back clear like this. So you want to wash your rice as many times until the water is no longer cloudy or white. So I put 2 cups in there of rice. So the key to boiling rice is 1 cup of rice equals 2 cups of water. So because I did 2 cups of rice, I'll put 4 cups of water in there. So we're going to boil our rice and then we're going to chop up our broccoli next. So I have my rice going, I chopped up my broccoli, so now it's time for me to clean my broccoli. And I'm going to use cold water, white vinegar, and baking soda. I'm going to run it over cold water, put a little baking soda and a little bit of vinegar in there, and then I'm going to let it sit for a little bit while I check on my rice. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I boiled the rice and I set it to the side and I added a little butter to the rice. I seasoned and now I'm steaming my broccoli and now I'm going to focus on the sauce. So what you need for the sauce is broccoli cheese casserole. You need cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, and a little bit of chicken stock. So I'm going to make that sauce and show you guys how I make it.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisted slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself with Jay and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit.
So I am a taste as you go type of person. So what you see me doing in this clip is seasoning my sauce. I added black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of Tony seasoning to give it a little bit more taste and flavor. That's it. That's it right there. I'm gonna tell you a joke, but I never tell you a lie. I will tell you a joke, but I will never tell you a lie, baby. That's good. Okay, so we have made our sauce. We brought it to a boil. Now we're gonna pour it all over our rice. We're gonna mix that in, and then we are going to chop up our broccoli next. So after I poured it on there, I added a little bit more cheese into the rice, and I'm just gonna mix that all around, and then I'm gonna chop up my broccoli afterwards, and I'm gonna add that in there as well.
Take up some space. Yeah. You're too far away. Make no mistake. Hey, I think you should stay. I want every little bit. I ain't never seen it drip like this. Heaven at my fingertips. Let's not let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Yeah, I hope you don't sleep on me. I've got good and plenty, yeah.
Basically, I'm just adding in the broccoli to my rice, cream, and cheese mixture, and I'm gonna mix that in. And I'm also gonna add in the next clip a little more cheese and sour cream, just because I like adding sour cream. It gives it a little twang and brings out the flavor of the cheese to me. However, you can opt out of using sour cream. It's optional. I've made it without sour cream before. So you can do it without sour cream if you're not really a sour cream fan. And you can also add more seasonings and just taste as you go, like I said earlier. In the next clip, I believe I do add more seasonings and chicken stock to it. We are basically at the end of the recipe for the broccoli cheese casserole. It's honestly very easy to make. It's beginner friendly. If you ever want to make something a big dish for a family dinner, this is what you can make. So what you see in this clip is me just mixing in the seasonings and the extra cheese that I added on top. And again, I seasoned it with Tony's. I added salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm just mixing it all around, making sure I get it in every crevice, and then we are going to add cheese on top of it at the end. Okay, guys, so that's practically it. I just put the rest of the cheese over it. You can add a bit of paprika on top of it for color. I don't have any paprika, but I am going to my mother's house to actually bake it. We're going to have Easter at her house. So I'm not going to bake it at home. I'm going to bake it at her house. I'm going to pack it up and go take it to her house and put it in her fridge. And I'll show you guys the end result once it's completed.